All right, fourth grade, we are back, and we are back again. Subtraction of whole numbers. You are probably done with me talking about subtracting with whole numbers, but it's a really tricky concept, and so it's important for us to understand how we do subtraction of whole numbers. Let's go over that vocabulary again. We have our minuend, okay? So that's the number that we're starting with. We have our subtrahend, which is our second number. And then the big important number is our difference. Okay, so we always need to remember that the answer to a subtraction problem is our difference. So the answer to our subtraction problem is our difference. So yesterday, I gave you some easy problems. Today, I'm going to do a little bit more tricky. What is the difference between 731 and 555? Again, difference. It is the answer to a subtraction problem. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stack my numbers. 731 minus 555. Okay? And it's really important that we make sure we line up our numbers and that so that we know which ones we're working with, and we always start with our ones place, and then we work our way across. So I have 5 ones minus, I'm trying to take 5 ones away from 1 1. I can't do that, so I'm going to regroup. I'm just regrouping my numbers. I have the same value. I'm just kind of switching things around. I'm going to take this 10, and I'm going to bring it over here to the ones place. And that ones place is going to turn into a 11. So now I have 11 ones. Can I take 5 from 11? Yep, sure can. It's going to leave me with 6. And then come over to my tens. I have 5 tens. I want to take 5 tens away from 2 tens. I can't do that. I don't have enough tens to take away. So I need to go over to my hundreds, and I need to regroup again. So I'm going to just regroup my hundreds. I'm going to give this a 600, and I'm going to bring my hundreds over here. So now I'm actually subtracting 50 from 120. Okay, so I'm just regrouping them. Can I take 5 or can I take 50 from 120? I can, and I am left with 70. Then I move over to my hundreds place. Can I take 500 from 600? Yep, and I am left with 100. So my difference is 176. Again, difference, answer to a subtraction problem, okay? Let's look at one more. What is the difference between 620 and 306? Okay, so we're going to stack our numbers, and we are going to make sure that they are organized and neat, and that they are in the right place value. So we have our ones lined up, our tens lined up, and our hundreds lined up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start, and I'm always going to start with my ones place, and I'm going to work my way over. I have 6 ones. Can I take that from 0? Nope, so I'm going to regroup. I'm going to just take one of these tens and regroup it to be 10 ones. Just regrouping them. My value is the same. Nothing changed about my number. It's all the same. I just regrouped them, reorganized them differently. Now, can I take 6 ones from 10? Yep, I sure can. And I have 4 ones. Can I take 0 tens from 10? And I am left with 1 10. Can I take 3 hundreds from 600? Yes, I can. So I'm left left with 314. My difference was 314. So what you guys are going to do is work out some of these problems in Schoology on your own. Remember, line up your numbers, take your time, regroup, think it through, and when you're finished, submit it.